Hey guys, today I have an unboxing of the Aosu WRM. Yeah, this cube was bought a while ago. I just got it today, so yeah. There it is. So this is all that comes inside the cube. You got a little accessory box and the cube. But I feel small. Because it is small, because it's a worm. There. Okay, let's check the accessories first. Yeah, just some extra magnets and a screwdriver. It's very helpful. Frickin' pamphlet. And some random people. Oh, that's new. Oh, the skew person. Yeah, the skew person. Okay. Set those aside and get into the cube. Ugh. Oh yeah, that definitely is small. So this is my first magnetic 4x4. So let's see what the shades are actually really nice. That green and blue. Ooh, wait. Okay, let's just scramble it just because. Yeah, this is really nice. Okay, it might be a little tight, but not much. Is there lube in there? Okay, there is. Didn't feel like it. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, it's a little tight right now. So I'm just gonna fix those right now with this handy screwdriver. Oh yeah. Oh yes. So yeah, it's a very good 4x4. It is $40 though, so it's a bit more on the expensive side. It's literally the same thing as 42 Logan. Goodness. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a solve because it's scrambled. I'll be making a review on this as soon as it breaks in and stuff. It gets better, and maybe I lube it with some stuff. It's very dirty. Yeah, I'm gonna have to break this in, but definitely my main over the Wuchuay. The Wuchuay is just trash compared to this. So like and subscribe if you need to or want to, because that would be awesome, and you would be one of the coolest people. I'll see you guys in the next video, whenever that is. Bye.